Alright, so you guys know, if you watch my videos, you know I have 4 girls. So what I decided to do as a family, we took one of our bedrooms and downstairs and we converted it to a salon. Now when they come over to visit, generally what happens is they go in the salon, they do their hair, nails, whatever they gotta do, and then they go out and about. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of what we're working with. You know, it's not much. I want to try to keep it humble. But yeah, so for each, you know, we talked, you want to see the salon, so I'm going to give it to you. Get a load of this. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, now it's time to see the salon. Let's start off. Here it is. I converted this room with my girls so they have a place to go do their hair, their nails, and so forth. As you can see, we have one chair there, one chair over there, and then this guy here, it's actually the shampoo station, right? The chair leans back, it reclines so they can do their hair. You know, safety first, so we have some Perel, first aid. Got the trash cans and the hamper for the towels. Okay, we got the cubby hose here, right? And then when they operate in here, they got the open sign, they turn on, right? Look at that Eiffel Tower, like that. Then for their photos, they got the ring light. Over here, they got their picks, and they got the hair for their extensions and stuff. They went through quite a bit of that. Little cubby hose here. We have our nail station here, so you can do their nail art, clip the nails, fine tune the manicures, right? Bunch of stuff here. You know, it's more than I know what to do with it. Yeah. And over here, this goes with it actually. It's I guess it dries the nails fast. I don't know. And then over here, they have the nail polish and the little rollers for the hair, you know, different sizes and things. Right? Brushes. Stuff down here for the pedicures. Then over here, you got, you know, the product on the wall. Right, got the mirror for this one station, got the trolley, and then here, if they want to do facials, they got all the facial stuff here, different aromatics, different formulas, right? They all got different skin, so they can pick and choose all they want. Okay, station number 2, right? Chair there, right? And we just converted this whole room into it. Here you got the hair dryer, so you can sit under the dryer for a while, like that. And because they're not in the house right now, you probably notice here real quick, I have my hot sauce fermenting right now. You know, no harm, no foul. I need the space, so it's all good. So look at their nails here, the nail polish they got, more than enough. If they need more, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to tell you. The little nail section here. I know I showed you before, but it's another look. I guess you can sit down and get in with the get in, get your nails done. You know, they have to trim mine up. You know, mine's looking kind of Jeepers Creepers right now. You know, you got all the little accessories they need in the little cubby holes. Down here we got extra product. You know, we got gauzes and the hair nets and the hair wraps and the shower caps. You know, you got your sanitation stuff down here. Got your vanity boxes there. So yeah, this is the salon. I'll give you guys another quick roundabout. Let me go see if I can get this right. Another quick roundabout. Yeah, first chair, got the mirror there. Facial product, instructions on the top. Gives you a little description on what each of these facial mask do for you. Second chair, trolley, yeah, hair dryer, and I'm using the wet dry vac so when they're washing their hair and the water goes right into the wet dry vac and then we can empty it later. You know, so they're not running all over the house. Salon chair that reclines, the shampoo chair, so you can fit right in the basin. Go around, have your trash can and your hamper. Up, you got first aid in the Perel. And then we're right back to the open and close business sign. They turn on as needed. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Shrashira, and I'm out.